Hello everyone, in front of me is VIVO Y28 and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. First of all, open the settings, then find and select lock screen and wallpaper, and now mark wallpaper. Here you can select one from default wallpapers. You can mark this icon to set something from your gallery as a wallpaper. Then you can also download some more online wallpapers if you want. Just make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi. I am not, so let me just go back and pick one from default wallpapers. For example, this one. Now just take a look how it looks on both home and lock screen. Just by tapping, and if you want to apply it, mark apply. Finally decide if it's for your lock screen only, just your home screen, or both of them. And that's it, that will be all. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.